Hey, it's Michael Della Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com, and you may be asking yourself, is it really possible to work from home full time? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer you that question and how you can get started today. So stay tuned. Hey again there. So I am a living proof that you can actually work from home either full time or part time. It's completely up to you. And there's several ways that you can start working from home full time if that's what you really want. So there's a lot of ways. Like you can start. There's a lot of data entry jobs, high paying jobs that you can actually get hired for, and you can do that completely from home. There you can become a freelancer, meaning that you can, maybe you have a skill. Maybe let's say, for example, you're an interpreter. You can go on Craigslist, you can go on Fiverr.com, and really, get yourself out there and offer, different services that you can, do for people. Maybe you can, you have a skill on being a web designer, or you make websites, and you can offer that as a service to people on the internet and doing completely from home, and get paid for that. So maybe you can try to do surveys. You can review things, and get paid for that from home. So those are one of the few ways that you can actually work from home. And once your income start pouring in and is replacing your current income, if you have a job, then you can switch you can switch full time. So at first you want to start part time, when before you get full time working from home. And I'm a good example of that. I used to work in a 9 to 5 job, and once I realized that there was time, to change, that there was a way that I can actually work from home and be there with my loved ones, be there for my wife, decide my own hours. I actually move to working from home, right? And actually, I ended up doing other things too that I actually enjoy doing. So that's actually one of the few ways that you can start working from home. Another way you can work from home, which is my favorite, is my number one recommendation, is starting an online business, right? In an online business, you can actually pretty much work from home, start out part-time, of course. You want to do it as a side, like I call it a side hustle. And then you want to work you want to work in your own online business. Why an online business? Because you can set your own hours, you can be your own boss, and pretty much you can actually be really profitable. There is no limitation how much you get paid, because because you're putting work into that, that gets paid. So in an online business, you pretty much are selling products on the internet, and there's thousands and thousands of people searching for solutions to the problem. So if you have a product or service that solves a problem, then starting an online business wouldn't be a bad idea, right? And that's basically what you can do to work from home, full time. So, if you're a person that like helping people, then this is for you. And basically that's what you want to do. So hope you got value from this. Hope that makes sense. And if you want to know what my number one recommendation is for starting a successful and profitable online business where you can earn unlimited income from anywhere in the world, thanks to a laptop and an internet connection, go ahead and click the link below and get the full details. And if you feel that it's a good fit for you, go ahead and get started. All right. And well, thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.